I know you guys offer delivery, and you can deliver pretty far
Sure.
and install from the store. Like, tell me about that.
Well,
How
it
does
becomes, it's not cost effective if it's too far. Saves way a lot. Takes a long time to get to certain places. So, 50 miles is a good radius for us, and
Okay.
we can go 100 miles,
Okay.
but, how much money do you want to spend on that when you might be able to find it in your own neighborhood that's going to cost a lot less? The difference is, when we sell a safe, we are hoping to bring it to you, and that eliminates a lot of breaking trouble for you and the logistics of just how are we going to get that safe in our house, right? So we have all the equipment to do it, we have the manpower to do it, and it's our people. It's not, we don't outsource it. It's people that we work with, that we know, that you can trust to come into your home and not worry about what they're going to see while they're at your house. So it's really a plus to let us do all the work for you.
Rather than, so maybe there's other companies that if I order a safe from them, and they offer delivery, is it not their own people? Like, would they just have some contractors?
Generally, it's not their own people,
Okay.
They'll outsource it to a moving company. And I'm not saying they're not good. I don't know anything about them.
Okay.
But I do know that our guys are trained. They're trained to handle up to a 2,000-pound safe, and do it in a way that's less time consuming. That they figure out, okay, this is the best way to go in your house, right? And also too, our delivery truck doesn't have our name blasted on the side of it. It's on there, and because we have to have it on there, it's required by law that our name be on our truck. But we don't have a big sign on the side of our delivery truck that says, "Hey, I'm getting a safe today."
This is a safe. Okay, so almost like discreet, a little bit low key on purpose.
Right.
Okay, very cool. And a moving company. I mean, I'm sure they can move heavy things, but they're probably not experts like in safe moving every day. And you guys install the safes too, right? If somebody wants to installed, can't you even like bolt some down?
Sure, we bolt them down if they want them bolted down. That's not included in our installation, because some people they don't want us to automatically just bolt something to their floor.
Of course.
So it's a question that we have for them, usually at checkout. Do you want your safe bolted to the foundation, or do you want your safe delivered, or just exactly where you want your safe setting in your home? So it depends on the flooring too, whether they're on a a house on piers, or if their house is on a foundation, concrete foundation. So we have the bolts that can do either one, and so we handle that generally at checkout.
Okay. Very cool. So let's say I found some deal like online, and maybe I save a couple $100 or something in a price from yours. But what happens? So they deliver it like, does it like get dropped off with the 18-wheel? I mean, this is like a ton. I mean, these are really heavy, right?
That's right.
So what do they do? Do they drop it off at my curb and drive off?
Yeah, generally they do. But that's where we come in. Sometimes people will call us and they do that. They'll order a safe online.
Yeah.
And a lot of times when it gets to where it's going, it's just all banged up. I mean, all kind of things can happen on the way from the factory to the location, to the home. But once it gets there and they need it put in their home, then they call us sometimes and we'll go put it in their home.
Oh, cool. So you could go and install it for someone.
So we can go and help someone even if they bought one from somewhere else.
Okay.
It's not saving, you might save a couple $100, but they're not going to put it inside your house.
I got you. Yeah. And properly not bang up your house and all that kind of stuff.
Right.
So, and kind of related to that, if someone needed a safe moved, I guess, let's say they're moving homes or wanted to give a safe to a family member or something like that, y'all are experts at that. So y'all could go and get a safe and move it,
Yes,
right?
we have that happen a lot where mom and dad want to give the safe they have to their son or their daughter. And they come in and they buy a new safe. And so then when we deliver their safe, we can pick that safe up and take it where they want us to take it. We charge for it, of course.
Sure, of course.
Yeah, depending upon how much the safe weighs, how far away the daughter or son lives, and how many steps or stairs are involved.
Oh, okay.
So,
okay.
There's a few things that we ask questions about, like, how far are we going, that kind of thing.
If we're going to the 4th floor and we're taking stairs, that may cost a little more than a first floor home.
Exactly.
Okay.
That's exactly right.
Fair enough.